Hey guys, Ryan here with the Lawn Channel, and we're looking back here at my sprigging stolonizing project, and we're starting to see some green. We're starting to see the sprigs start to change color a little bit, and I think we're making good progress here. It's been 10 days, so let's go take a look. Alright, so all this right here was sprigged and it's coming through. You can see the green mixed in here. Some areas are faster than others. Here's another area. You see a lot of green right here. This is taking really well. And I didn't spread it really thick, obviously. You can see a lot of bare areas, but that's my fault. But I think it'll spread before the end of the season. Some more areas here with the grass. Looking good. Coming in, and my sprinkler just came on. So I'll show you kind of what I'm doing here. So I've got this one sprinkler here that comes on and it handles this whole section. And then I have this sprinkler which handles all of this over here. And together it keeps everything watered. And then over here, sorry for my AC unit here, but I've got this dual timer going on right here, and so every hour this water comes on, and then like in the evening at night I'll turn it off for bed, or I'll turn it to like every 3 hours or 4 hours, and then in the next morning I'll turn it back on for every hour. Doing it every hour seems to work pretty well, keep everything pretty moist and ready to go. This is a drag that I just finished building today, taken from Connor Ward, his design anyway, or the one he posted online, but I did a much smaller version. I did 4 feet wide and 2 feet long. So I also put the spacers between to lift this off the ground. I don't know if you can see that, but so that's off the ground there, and we're gonna give it a shot next week. I've got sand being delivered Tuesday, and I'm hoping to knock that out. Now, I did the welding, and this is the first time I've ever welded, so it's not the best, and I didn't go through and polish it or anything like that. I just need it to work. I think it will. So here's my drag. This right here, I made this wider so I can fit 2, possibly 3 cinder blocks in this going this way, and so if I need the weight, I don't think I'm gonna need any weight. It's pretty heavy, but we will see.